Good evening. To imbibe professionalism in management, there is a traditional acronym. It's called PODSCOR. Today I would like to share. Of course, so many authors, so many scholars, so many researchers have given their own view on PODSCOR. Generally, PODSCOR is an acronym which was exactly initiated by the European management societies, and it has also proved, it has been proved, PODSCOR has thoroughly or continuously, consecutively, consistently helping the total management system to mobilize the resources in an optimum way. And today we would like to discuss what PODSCOR is. P for planning. Planning is nothing but to think in advance what to do, and as because we do not have abundance of resources on our hand, and nowadays competition in almost all these spheres is optimum, is maximum, definitely we have to utilize or mobilize our resources in a very systematic and judicious way. So whatever our mission is or our objective is, we should definitely make a plan in a concrete manner. That is planning. And according to the plan, we have to definitely classify all the activities in a thorough manner. That is called organizing. We know that land, labor, capital needs exactly, it is land, labor and capital are to be organized in a very well planned manner, but this organizing is something different because we have to classify our activities in a different way so that we can organize from activities A to Z in a systematic manner. Then directing. Who is to direct? We should definitely know that the person having lot of experience and proven track, they can direct. No matter what academically what they are, or but definitely they have experienced and they have a contribution to the society at large in various ways. So it needs an effective direction. That is why almost our movies and our activities needs a director. So directing is also an equal or vital point or factor what is to be considered, given due priority. Then staffing. Staffing means to recruit and to select the right person for the right work and in the right manner also. Nowadays we are observing in the societies so many social as well as political stigmas are there, for which so many organizations are lagging behind due to the political decisions and many other things. Sometimes our near and dear nepotism, favoritism or corruption, so many things are there. But when we are thinking of our resources and we are utilizing our resources in a productive manner, either to focus on service or on production of goods, definitely we have to think of our staff pattern should be in a very dynamic manner. No laxity should be given any scope to conquer over us, whatever may be the situation. If the staff pattern, if the recruitment procedure, if our staffing procedure is not good, is not sound, no matter what our management is and no matter what our locational advantages are, definitely will be lagging behind, because one cancer germ in an organization can ruin the whole environment. So, very dynamic and proven managers on this creation are those who are completely strict to their staffing pattern. Next one is coordinating. We are observing with the course of time, coordination is being dated in a very peculiar way. We have also seen sometimes many medical colleges have taken bath, though we know that the doctors are not enough to make the whole society healthy and well-being. If we keep one doctor per one citizen, still we cannot make our society healthy. Still we are in search of, or we are in quest of hospital units and medical colleges and all these things. Still, and at the same time we also know that Japan, the most advanced nations, have less numbers of doctors. I am not intended to blame the doctors, but it is our awareness which can keep us, it is our consciousness which can keep us healthy at par. So, why I am giving this example, in these recent years we have been observing that so many medical colleges are there in the district headquarters also. Before that, district headquarters hospitals were there, but the magnitude of their service and their attitude of the healthcare system was something different. Nowadays, after when we see that many medical colleges have come into being, there is acute shortage of coordination of two category staffs, because some of them are entrusted to serve the district headquarters hospitals and some of them are entrusted to look after the medical colleges, and in between there is a strong rift, strong bickerings, and the reason behind is known to them, those who are lacking coordinations. But definitely our patient care system, our healthcare system have been completely jeopardized. Rather, we have observed when only district headquarters hospitals were there, they used to give good human service. So the lack of coordination, due to lack of coordination, the people at large or the patients at large are suffering a lot. But we are getting, or we are giving, or we are getting credit that we have launched so many medical colleges and we have good healthcare system. Anyway, definitely, or we should definitely think of coordination is highly required. Even in our familial sphere also, coordination is highly required or desirable. Then reporting. All the staff of all the officers or all the executives, all the people, all the human resources cannot be ranked with parity. Definitely disparity would be there, definitely some subordinate staff should be there, but subordinate staff should definitely report the updating message to the superior authority so that the decision makers can take the right decision at the right time. So reporting is also an important thing nowadays due to communication skill, nowadays due to so many carelessness or laxity on the part of human beings, on the part of our youth. Sometimes we are lagging behind as far as our resource mobilization of resources is concerned. Then the very important thing is budgeting. What budget is? We know that it has been extracted from the term bas, and the Latin word bas means bag. We have to execute, we have to incur our expenditure according to our bag, according to our money purse. If we are not considering what is the capacity of our purse, what is the capacity of our resources, what is the limitation of our resources, we cannot make or we cannot allocate the budget with having certain dynamism. So we should have a good stock of our resources. In our individual sphere also, we should have a strong clutch over our budget. What is our income and what is our expenditure, what is our provision or reserve. So many things are there, because we cannot avoid exigencies as this current situation is going on. So many times this human civilization or the evolution of human life have seen exigencies or emergency is the part of our system. So to cater to the need of emergency also, we have to think of the budgeting system. We have to allocate our budget in a very honest and judicious way, so that we don't require to hesitate subsequently, because our resources are limited and we cannot spend as much as we can, no matter whether we are talking about an individual, or we are talking about a family, or we are talking about an organization which can also be treated as family. So, or else we are recording the whole state or a nation. So, starting from planning, organizing, directing, staffing, coordinating, reporting and budgeting, almost all these things are very important. And nowadays, it has also been observed, our research and development is always on to make our products in a very effective manner, and to render the service, to discharge our valuable service, esteemed service for our loyal customers in a very systematic way, in order to keep them, in order to make them satisfied. So, though it is traditional by nature, or it has been practiced for decades together, or we can say for centuries together, still our approach on PERSCOR, on general management for the organization as a whole and as a family as a whole, as an individual also, this is very important, and accordingly we can also plan our strategy, maybe short term or long term. Keeping our own objective in a short term basis, we can make our concrete strategy for long term, which can ensure our organization or ensure our sphere in a big way, in a long way. Thank you.